Hi guys, and welcome back to Pen and Pencil Academy. In this video, I'm going to be looking at factorizing, and this is in terms of single brackets. So if we go into our first example, here it is. So the question is asking us to factorize 2x squared, add 4x. Now, this is a little bit different to multiplying brackets out, but it's essentially just the opposite. So instead of multiplying the numbers together, we're trying to find a number that can be divided by both of these terms. So a number we're looking for that we can multiply by this and this. And in this case, we can multiply both of them by 2x, or we can divide them both by 2x. So what we would get is 2x on the outside. So if I just give you a little bit of an example, if we had 2a plus 4, this number here is what we're multiplying by each of these terms. So we have 3 multiplied by 2a, add 3 multiplied by 4. To get our expansion, when we multiply that out of 6a plus 12. Now, if we want to work backwards, we can see that both of these numbers can be divided by 3. So in this case, we can see that both of these terms can be divided by 2x. So if we open our bracket, as we can see with single brackets, there's a number outside the bracket, and then we've got a expression inside the bracket. So 2x, to get from 2x to 2x squared, we would just have x inside the bracket, because 2x multiplied by x is 2x squared. And this will be a plus because that's a plus. If it was a minus, it would be a minus. So 2x multiplied by what gives us 4x. 2x multiplied by 2 gives us 4x. So that is a factorization of 2x squared plus 4x. Now, this was a little bit of an easier question because we've only got one term, we've only got x. But what if we have x and y? So here's another question that we can go through. It's the same process, but it's a little bit trickier if we've got two different terms, different unknowns, but here's how we can do it in a very simple way. So here's the question. It says factorize 5x squared y plus 10xy squared. Now what we need to do is look for a number or something that we can multiply or divide both of these terms by. Now that would be 5xy. And that is because to get from 5xy to 5xy squared, we just multiply by x. Because we just need x to be squared in this, and then it'll become this. Again, it's a plus, because that's a plus, and then for this term, to get here, we just multiply by 2y. Because 5 times 2 is 10, and xy times the y is just xy squared. So that is how we would factorize that. So I hope this helped. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching.